Everyone wants to know the same thing. Can artificial intelligence really make you rich? Everywhere you look, there are ads, gurus, and influencers shouting about AI money machines. Quit your job in 30 days. Earn while you sleep. Unlimited income with just one prompt. It sounds incredible. And that's exactly why so many people believe it. But here's the reality. Most of those promises are smoke and mirrors. Behind the hype, there are some real opportunities, but also landmines. So today, let's dig into the truth. Can you really get rich using AI? Or is it just another bubble waiting to burst? And later in this video, I'll reveal the one place where AI has already created millionaires, and why it's probably not where you think. Let's start with the fantasy. The dream of effortless income is powerful. It's been around forever, but AI makes it sound closer than ever before. Why? Because these systems can do almost everything at once. They can write, design, code, advertise, and even sell. They can produce work in seconds that might take a human hours. Type a prompt, and you get a book, an app, or a logo. Feed a script, and you get a video, a voiceover, even a synthetic face. Combine a few tools, and it feels like you could spin up an entire company overnight. No wonder the idea of AI riches spreads so fast. It feels like the ultimate shortcut. But here's the hook. If it were really that easy, we'd all be millionaires already. The truth is, most AI get-rich-quick schemes collapse the moment real work begins. Why? Because automation doesn't replace effort. It amplifies it. If you don't already have a smart idea, AI won't invent one for you. If you don't already know how to market, AI won't magically find you paying customers. Think of it like a magnifying glass. If you're aiming at something valuable, it makes it bigger. If you're aiming at nothing, it just makes the emptiness more obvious. And this pattern is nothing new. When the internet first took off, scams promising easy online millions were everywhere. Most collapsed. But a few real companies, Amazon, Google, eBay, changed the world. The winners weren't chasing quick cash. They were solving problems people actually cared about. That's the same test for AI today. Does it solve a real pain point? Or is it just shiny technology with no buyer? So let's look at some real examples. Writers are using AI to crank out drafts faster. But the ones making money are polishing those drafts, adding unique insights, and packaging them into something valuable. Raw machine text on its own? Almost worthless. Designers are using image generators to brainstorm ideas, but clients still pay for taste, storytelling, and judgment, not random pictures. Developers are using coding assistants to speed up their work, but the money comes from launching useful apps, services, or businesses, not from pasting random snippets into GitHub. So the pattern is clear. AI helps, but it doesn't replace the fundamentals. Now here's something most people miss. The biggest fortunes from AI right now aren't coming from side hustles. They're coming from infrastructure. The companies selling the picks and shovels in the gold rush. NVIDIA, the chip maker powering AI servers, became one of the most valuable companies on Earth. Microsoft poured billions into AI partnerships to lock in dominance. Amazon and Google are racing to control the cloud platforms running AI tools. That's where the real billions are. But don't lose hope. That doesn't mean individuals can't win. It just means the path isn't magic prompts. It's about using AI intelligently. So where are the real opportunities for individuals? First, productivity. Freelancers are doubling their output. A copywriter who once wrote 4 ads a day can now deliver 8. A consultant who spent a week researching can finish in a day. Time saved translates directly into income. Second, entrepreneurship. AI lets small teams act like big companies. One person can build a site, design branding, write contracts, launch ads, and run customer support, all with tools at their side. The cost of launching a startup has never been lower. Third, niches. AI makes tiny custom markets viable. Imagine personalized children's books created on demand, tailored fitness and diet plans generated instantly, niche YouTube channels running on automated scripts and voices. These won't mint billionaires, but they can create steady, reliable income streams. Fourth, reskilling. Workers who blend their expertise with AI become more valuable, not less. A teacher who uses AI tutors to personalize lessons. A doctor who uses AI scans as a second opinion. A lawyer who drafts contracts with automated support. These aren't replaced jobs, they're amplified ones. Now let's circle back to the reveal. The one area where AI has already created millionaires, trading the hype itself. Look at AI-related stocks. NVIDIA, AMD, Microsoft. Their valuations exploded as investors chased the boom. Crypto tokens branded as AI coins spiked, even when the projects had no real substance. Speculators who jumped in early walked away with life-changing sums. But here's the danger. Every hype wave eventually crashes. .com, crypto, NFTs. Each one minted winners and far more losers. Artificial intelligence could be no different. The timing matters more than the tool. So let's bring it home. Can you really get rich using AI? The answer is yes, but not the way the ads claim. It's not a money printer. It's not a shortcut to instant wealth. It's a tool, a powerful one, maybe the most powerful of our lifetimes. But tools don't create wealth on their own. People do. If you want to get rich using this tech, here's the recipe. Learn the basics. Find a real problem to solve. Use automation to work faster and cheaper, and add the one thing machines can't replicate: human creativity, taste, and empathy. Because in the end, it's not the tool that wins, it's the person who learns to wield it better than anyone else. So what do you think? Is artificial intelligence the greatest wealth opportunity of our time? Or just another bubble waiting to pop? Tell me in the comments. And here's the deal. I'll feature the most thought-provoking answers in a future video. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Unlocked, where every week we explore the breakthroughs, the risks, and the future of technology. Because the future isn't coming. It's already here.